Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to perform hard reset for your earbuds Sony LinkBuds. You have to start by put your earbuds to the charging case. Now close the case and open it again. Then press and hold connectional button at the back side of the charging case for at least 15 seconds. So it will flash orange for at least 5 seconds, I guess, and after it finish, it means that you perform a hard reset. So it started flashing orange, and now it stopped. Okay, we did it. After that, remove your earbuds from the charging case, and it will reconnect to your phone. That's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later.